Hello students, I am Dr. Tanmoy Vishwas. I welcome you all in my channel Chemistry, the Mystery of Molecules. I believe you all are fine. So today we are going to discuss a multiple choice question present in front of you. And I request you, please read the question carefully, pause the video and try by yourself and write your answer in the comment box. Don't hesitate, my answer will be right or wrong, because remember one statement, self-evaluation is essential for improvement. So please pause the video and try by yourself, and I shall give you the answer after some time. Please do it. I believe you have tried. Now it's my turn to give you answer. As usual, I first explain the problem and come to the answer, and later I shall explain how to come up to the answer less than 30 seconds. Okay. So lots of chemistry to be learned in this video. I request you please watch until the end with complete attention. And I have a small request. If you really like my teaching, please support my channel by subscribing and pressing the bell icon. And another most important thing, if possible, please support through Patreon. Because without your support, it's very difficult for me to upload such kind of videos for you on a regular basis. Now, what I have given? Bromine 1 equivalent, and this is actually a diene. By the way, this is not actually a diene. Normal diene, this is cumulative diene. Okay, what do I mean? This is 1,3 diene. Normal diene, what we say, there are other two kinds of diene. This is a conjugated diene, and this is actually an unconjugated diene. Why unconjugated? Because see, there is a sp3 center. That's why this is, but in this case it is conjugated. But remember, this is cumulated diene or cumulated. You must consider this thing, cumulated diene. Why cumulated diene I am saying? Because this is not actually in conjugation. Okay, sorry for the interruption. So now it's a cumulated diene. Is cumulated diene conjugated? No. Why? See, actually, in order to understand this, I believe you need to understand one simplest molecule, that is allene. By the way, student, I have already discussed dedicated lecture on allene. Please visit if you want to learn more. Otherwise, this is difficult. These two pi bonds, these are not in conjugation. Actually, they are in perpendicular. Means this pi bond, for example, this pi 1 is perpendicular to this pi bond, that is pi 2. Why? See, the central carbon is sp hybridized. Okay, means there it has 2 pi p orbital, and we know p orbital are orthogonal to each other. That's why these 2 p orbital one involved pi 1 formation with this carbon. Another with this carbon, and that is the reason, since these 2 p orbital are perpendicular, these two double bonds are perpendicular. Okay, that's why they are not actually in conjugation. Now, we have understood this. Now, if I give bromine to this molecule, what will happen? See, we know bromine is an electrophilic reagent because bromine can polarize to delta plus and delta minus, and double bond actually act as a nucleophile, and this bromine act as electrophile. Now, this seems a symmetrical molecule. This is also, actually this is a symmetrical, in order to make the life easy. Okay, let's take this CH3. Let's take one CH3. Then it's fine. So, what can happen? Since symmetrical, so any one of the double bond can attack. Fine. So, let's attack this one. So it will leave, and we know the reaction proceeds through bridge bromonium intermediate. That thing, those are completely fine. Now what is the next? So this is C double bond C H. I'm not writing, means that is any. Now bridge bromonium ion means this thing you can consider Br plus. Now we know this third member ring attached to a carbon sp2 hybridized, because right now see, this is sp2 attached to one double bond, is not stable. First of all, ring strength, second this is a double bond. So because after this sp2, this bond need to be 120, but not possible. See, it is 60 because of 3 member ring. So consequently, this bridge bromonium ion is not that much stable. Now question, in which bond, either this one or this one break? So let's take this option number 1, means if this bond breaks, what it produces? It produces CC double bond H. This positive charge will come here, and in this case this and Br. Now positive charge, this is actually a sp2 vinylic cation. Vinyl cation, is it stable? Obviously no. Apart from that, what other possibility should be? So let's consider 2. So this is actually path number 1, this is path number 2. What we can do, this H, this positive charge is here, this is CBr, double bond CH. Fine. See, this is actually allylic. Okay, and we know that allylic double bonds are resonance stabilized. And how resonance if I draw? Then there will be C, double bond here, C, this is carbon, this is hydrogen, this is methyl, positive charge is here. This hydrogen and one bromine is attached here. Okay, so this actually, better to say, since it's a symmetrical molecule, this thing is called equivalent canonical forms. So what is the benefit? It is highly stable because two canonical forms have equal contribution. Now then we can say that the bromide anion, after bridge bromonium ion formation, there is an anion counterpart. So where this bromide anion will attach? These will attach to the positive charge center. So either this or this. So ultimately it will result same compound. Don't be confused. I shall explain how same compound. CBr, CHMeBr. Why same compound? Because it's symmetrical. Both are exactly symmetrical. That's why I told equivalent canonical form. So any of either this center or this center bromine attached ultimately resulted in a same compound. So this is the overall discussion. If this is not symmetrical, then you would have been resulted mixture of chloride. So what is the answer of this problem? This. Okay. So now this is the answer B. Now the second question is, we have understood this thing, very good, fine. Now why not the others? First of all, try to remember the conditions I have provided. Bromine 1 equivalent. Okay, so only one double bond could be reacted. Here, see, bromine attached, but other two hydrogen from where came? Not possible. What about this and this? See, did I give it's a conjugated diene? No, it's a cumulated diene. There is no double bond. So how this is possible? Still wrong, not possible. What about this? This is actually not addition. This is actually substitution, or better to say allylic substitution. Okay, and in this case I have given just bromine, no heat, no radical. So how allylic substitution can occur? And by the way, if you confused about this statement, please visit. I made a dedicated lecture on this allylic substitution. How allylic substitution means NBS as a reagent, when it will act as an electrophile, when it will act as a radical for both this addition reaction with the double bond and allylic substitution respectively. Okay, so this is not possible. Condition I haven't given that. So only one option left, means this. Now a simple question: okay, so you got, now if this question is given to you within your exam hall, less than 30 seconds, how can you explain? First of all, bromine 1 equivalent, this is, you need to know that it's a cumulative diene, not conjugated. So any one of double bond will undergo addition reaction. So symmetrical, any one, this is 1, 2, double bond addition, these and this. Which other option? No option given. See how easily it could be solved. Okay, but I believe students don't do those kind of thing. But not only that, you need to little know about how the reaction happens and about these canonical forms. And remember, this is completely selective because this is very unstable. That's why this part will not be formed. Ultimately, product will form this part. Okay, so instead of, if you don't know anything, based on your common sense that bromine 1 mole equivalent bromine, so 1 double bond, this is only one given, others not possible because this is double bond, no double bond is there as I told. This is not possible because it's a 1. How this compound could be produced from ketone and peace, means not bromine, I'll say chlorine if you think, PCl5, that's a different thing. And this is allylic substitution condition is not given. So logically this is very easy. Okay. So this is the end of this discussion. I hope this video may be useful. If it is, please help my channel to grow. And another thing, how? First of all, share this video among your friends so that they can enjoy the benefit. And most importantly, please write your opinion on the comment box, and please like the video so that other can trust on my teaching. If you have trust on me, please show there in the comment box and like the video more. So thank you again. Stay happy, stay blessed. See you in my next video. Bye bye.